welcome back to the channel. This will probably be the last video on this truck. Just working on getting the tank and brain mounted to the bed floor. Then we'll be putting the floor in the truck. I'll have to take the two sideboards out and get them trimmed up to match the new wheel well tubs. That took way longer than it was supposed to. So, got the tank mounted. Set the brain in there. I wanted to sink it into the floor. There's a lot of wires coming out of the back of that thing, so I wanted to hide it all. They have mounts on the bottom and mounts from the inside. So I used the side mounts, did an angle iron underneath the bed, and mounted it all in there. I'm super happy with how it turned out. So now I've got to take these outer boards off, sit it in, and get those notched out. Just finished wiring up, got it rough plumbed. You can see in the bed of the truck in a second here, there's just plumbing and wires going everywhere. I still got to clean that up. Still got to do the outside two boards now that we have the inner fender wells in, and I've done some cardboard templates for that, so we should be able to trim them out based on that. But this is the first time I'm going to turn this thing on. Let's see what it looks like. Well, as we saw, that didn't work out very well. I've taken everything out. I messed with the wiring. I messed with taking it down because the CVT shows that you can just go down to the M8 connector in the back of it. But that didn't fix the problem. I checked voltages, everything was good there. So I reached out to the gentleman at Accuair and at Switch Suspension. And this is the really old CVT tank and E-Connect, and they don't work together. So we got to get the CVT to VT conversion. So we'll be doing a build on taking this tank apart, converting it over to the VT, which means the compressor comes out, and we're going to run two Viair compressors off to the side. I'll probably mount those on the frame rails so they're underneath the truck. And then there's some additional wiring. The CVT to VT kit comes with some gaskets for doing the end of the tank and the bolts on the ends of the tank caps. Thanks for watching, and on the next video we're going to be doing the CVT to VT conversion kit. We'll go through all of that and get this thing working. Thanks for watching. Bye.